Psalms 127, first verse. Unless the Lord builds the house, they labor in vain who builds it. Unless the Lord guards the city, the watchman stays awake in vain. So, do you want your house to be built by God? And do you want your house or city to be guarded by God? How do you think that a house can be built by God? A house is a place for rest and security. It has all the comforts for a happy living. House is something that gives us our identity and address. Our beloveds stay with us and we get never bored of our house. In fact, we all love our houses. Therefore, when God builds a house, that house will be as said before. But whose house is God going to build? Is it not who pleases God? As written in the Bible, no one can please God without faith. Faith in God is one of the key items that can make God build a house for you. And how does God guard your house? When God builds a house, He Himself becomes the owner of the house. Now Psalms 91 verse 9 till 11 says, "Because you have made the Lord, who is my refuge, even the Most High your dwelling place, no evil shall befall you, nor shall any plague come near your dwelling. For He shall give His angels charge over you to keep you in all your ways." So when God builds a house, that house is protected by God, and whoever is in that house built by God actually is in God and is protected for your sake. Faith can be expressed in different ways according to your situation. Number one, it may be that you need to wait upon the Lord to show your faith in God. Or you may need to take actions in faith so that you may do the works of the Lord. You may need to stand for God and His words to be faithful. Sometimes you may also need to deny yourself to show faith in God. It is a kind of love for your brothers, sisters, and neighbors. Through faith, you bear the fruits of the Holy Spirit. Because through faith, you start to love, be kind, be gentle, show perseverance, have joy, peace, and hope, and all the fruits of the Holy Spirit. Therefore, whatever may be the situation, act according to it in faith, whether to wait upon the Lord or to act according to His word, or whatever the word of the God tells you to do in that situations. In this way, you will be able to please God, and God will help you build